just skates back to center. Lightning are getting a change up front in the 4-on-4. Hedman holds onto the puck back in his own end. A lead feed up the middle. Here's Kucherov on a breakaway. Score! Kucherov! Well, Hedman patiently backpedaled to his own end. The Lightning changed the two forwards. Kucherov came on the ice, got behind the Avalanche defense. How can you lose Kucherov if you're a Colorado Avalanche defenseman? Perfect pass right up the gut. Kucherov on the breakaway, and he finishes. It's 1-0 Lightning. The pass came like 15 seconds before the goal. Here's Tyler Johnson across the Avalanche line. To the left circle. Looks to center it. Loose in front. Strawman shoots. Score! He was tripped, but he still found a way to bang that in. Anton Strawman went to the front of the net, got the centering feed from Tyler Johnson, and it makes it 2-0. The goals come 19 seconds apart. Rebound Jake Dotchin, right circle. Dotchin, center point to Hedman. Quick feed, Kucherov, right circle. Back for Hedman in the slot. Holds, shoots, score! What patience from Hedman, who is having absolutely a monster game. Well, in the first goal, he sprung Kucherov on a breakaway. That time, Kucherov gave it to Hedman. He walked into the slot area. Bernier bit as Hedman walked then wide to the left circle and had basically an open net. Puck out to center. Corey Conacher collects. Across the Colorado line. Conacher left circle. Left circle, Killorn. Centers it. Score! Yanni Gourde on the tip. 4 goals in the period for the Lightning, and it's 4-0. Conacher carried it to the offensive end, centered it for Killorn at the left circle, and then he maneuvered it farther in front. Or maybe it just skipped over Killorn's stick, but either way, Gourde did get his blade on it to backhand it home. Next that puck. Maneuvers to Braden Point, right circle. Right corner, Gourde. Swings it, high slot, Strawman. Score! 2 goals tonight for Strawman, and it's 5-1. So even though the Lightning did not score in the power play, they never let the Avs get the puck out of the Colorado end. Yanni Gourde doing a lot of the hard work along the boards. He'll get his 3rd point tonight on the assist. Strawman gets his 4th from Gourde and Point. Lugs it to the red line across the Avalanche blue line at the left point. Protects it, feeds it, high slot. Palat shoots, blocked in front. Rebound, score! It's in! I think it's Sergachev on the rebound. He was spinning around, but he got his stick on the puck, and it's 6-4 Lightning. What a great play by Strawman, though. Looked like he was at the end of his shift, but he still found the energy to get it across the blue line, and a great cross-ice feed to Palat, who had an open look. It was blocked, but Sergachev got his stick on the rebound and put it in. The puck is held in by Barrie with under a minute to go. Tyson Barrie left circle. Left circle, Nathan MacKinnon. Centers it! What a save! Landeskog robbed by Budaj! Landeskog was looking for his 4th goal and 6th point, and Budaj absolutely robbed him with a glove save. Not a lot of time left. Johnson wins it. Hedman trying to clear Heldon Barrie, right point. Shoots, blocked. Rebound Johnson for Palat. 2 seconds left. He clears it out to center, and this one is over. The Lightning hold on for a 6-5 win. On a night where Peter Budaj gives up 5 goals, he came up with a handful of crucial saves down the stretch to help the Lightning emerge with the 2 points and avoid a monumental collapse.